Hi guys, how are you going? It's Kathleen from the yoga space in Hilversum in the Netherlands. How are you feeling today? Pretty good? Oh good. I've got a little challenge for you today and we're going to do a little bit of movement before we settle down into meditation. So if you'll come with me. Yeah. So can you stand up really tall for me? And maybe keep your feet a little bit further apart and just give your body a little bit of a shake. Shake it out a little bit more. Great. Okay, so here's the challenge. Can you tap your right foot for me? Okay, great, nice. Just tap it to a little bit of a beat. Excellent. And now I want you to take your left hand and click your fingers. Can you do it at a different time? Great. What about, can you do your nodding of the head as well? Nice. What if we shrug our right shoulder? Can we do 4 things at once? Oh, I forgot my head. Oh, and shake it out. Oh, excellent, good job. So maybe we should try with our face. Do you think you can try just with your face? Yeah. Do you think you can wink one eye while shaking your other hand? Let's try. I'm going to try with my left eye. Wink my eye and shake my right hand. Oh, it takes a lot of concentration. What about if I shrug my shoulders and stick out my tongue? Let's see, we'll start with the shoulders. And then stick out your tongue. Oh, my eyes got involved. Good job. Can you make a different combination? Anyone that you like, just by yourself. Try and make up any combination that you like. Sometimes it's nice to just sit and make different movements until we can calm our minds down. So now that you're ready, let's sit down. We'll bring our hands in front of our throat by placing our thumbs together, our fingers together. Great. Palms of our, we'll place them in front of our throat. Good. We're going to make a tulip. And as we move, breathe, we're going to open our tulip up as we breathe in. And let it go down as we breathe out. And so the invitation is to close your eyes and just move your tulip with your breath. Breathing in, letting the tulip come out wide. And closing it as we breathe out. A few more times. Breathing in through the nose and out through the nose. And relaxing our hands down, gently open your eyes. The light in me recognizes the light in all of you guys. Have a wonderful week, and I hope you spend a little bit of time practicing a moving meditation or your tulip breaths, or both. Enjoy your week. Bye, guys.